Guys, this is Samir Islam. I wanted to start a new series just to see how it works, just experiment. I'm going to call it Poop Tip Thursday. So I want to give you one tip you can take to help out with your gut for the following week. I'm going to try and do this every Thursday. If you like this, I would encourage you to let me know. I just want to try this as an experiment. So the one thing that I would recommend to help out with your gut maybe this week is to avoid high fructose corn syrup. Now, this is maybe hard to do, but if you look in a lot of the ingredients in some of the foods that you eat, whether it's bread, pastas, or anything like that, you may see the term fructose or high fructose corn syrup. In my opinion, this is probably one of the more biggest culprits for why there have been a lot of gut issues in the United States, whether it's obesity, reflux, pain, IBS, things like that. And so the one thing I would encourage you to try to avoid is high fructose corn syrup in everything. And this may be hard, but if you look through some of the more common things that you eat and seeing in the ingredients, if you see high fructose corn syrup or fructose in there, know this may be something that you should try to avoid. And you may be surprised by avoiding this one ingredient, you may hopefully have your gut issues feel better. I want to thank you guys for listening to my Poop Tip Thursday, and I hope you guys have a great day. Take care.